Hey guys, JC here at Thumper Fab, here today to show you the much anticipated front bumper for the Ranger 1000 and XP 1000. As you can see, this is a radical design and a beefy bumper for the front of your Ranger. Packed with some pretty awesome features, but right off the bat, you can see that there's some color customization options in the front light grills here. We got some dual row LED lights behind that grill. So you can see we've got it color matched in our military tan powder coat to perfectly match our military tan level 1 roof rack and aluminum top. But check this out. This front bull bar is definitely a unique design, not like a lot of tubular style bull bars. This fully boxed, fully welded design with our welds on display. Check those out. We put them out there for everybody to see because, well, they're worth taking a look at. We don't hide our welds behind some putty or rhino lining or I don't know, whatever you do to hide bad welds, I guess. We put them out there for all the world to see because packed with features such as these ditch lights on the sides that give you great coverage to the left and right. We've got an integrated winch mount. It'll work with the factory winch, so if your Ranger came with a factory winch, your winch will bolt right up and sit up here all fully protected behind the bumper. If you're buying an aftermarket winch, hey, guess what? No need to buy a winch plate because we've got it fully factored into the design there. It'll accommodate all of your standard UTV, ATV size winches. And we'll post up some fitment details and all online when we get ready to launch this. But that part is in there, so you're not having to buy an extra winch plate and all for your Ranger like a lot of aftermarket winches that are out there on the market. So nix that cost right there. We've got a 2-inch receiver hitch that is kind of tucked away up front, so if you need it, if you ever put a front basket on your Ranger or a feeder, great, it's there for you to use it, but not so out there and out in the way that if you don't want it or don't use it, it's tucked up and really kind of hidden, so it doesn't take away from the overall look of the Ranger. And then we've also got these massive D-ring mounts up front that also work for some great tie down or attachment points. And then we've also, the features keep coming, guys. We've got these slots here are actually E-Track mount size slots, your standard E-Track slot. So for those of y'all that have trailers that secure or tie down with E-Track, guess what? It's built right into the bumper, makes it extremely quick and easy to strap down and tie down your Ranger and get it out to wherever you need to go. Up front, up top, we've got you can see these slotted holes to the left and the right. Those are great for adding some more cube lights, or it'll fit and accommodate most of your 20-inch LED light bars out there on the market. So tons of options to get some more lighting on this bumper, as well as an integrated winch mount, receiver hitch, the D-ring shackles. This is really just a feature-packed bumper. So yeah, thanks for taking a look at it with me, and we'll have the bumper, the light kits, and everything online shortly. The light kits, just like everything else that we come with a fully ready to go harness, plugs right into the Polaris pulse bar. So for easy connection, and then runs right around to the front. We give you a nice matching OE style matching rocker switch, and all there for quick and easy installation. So yeah guys, check it out for some more awesome products for your Ranger and to really get it decked out and thumped out, check us out online. Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and online at thumperfab.com. Thanks, guys.